Have you ever heard the Setswana proverb, o se bone Nong go rakalala godimo, go ya tlase ke ga yona? Many of us were taught that it means, don't be proud, even the eagle comes down. That lesson is true. But nature is teaching us something even deeper. The eagle does not come down because it has failed. It comes down because it is alive. It comes down to eat. It comes down to rest. It comes down to build a nest. Without returning to the ground, there can be no next flight. Today, we live in a world that celebrates only the sky. More followers, more money, more work, more productivity, more stimulation, more highs. But nature reminds us that everything that rises must also return. Even the rain returns to the earth. Even the sun gives way to night. Even our own hearts beat because they alternate between contraction and relaxation. Rest is not the opposite of growth. Rest is part of growth. Some of our lows are not punishment. They are invitations to return to the ground, to eat, to recover, to reflect, to remember who we are. The danger is not flying high. The danger is forgetting how to land. So today, don't be ashamed of your season of rest. Don't compare your ground to someone else's flight. The eagle knows something we often forget. It flies with confidence because it knows where home is. Re ithuteng mo go Nong. Go fofa go botlhokwa, mme go ikhutsa ke botlhale. We give thanks. A leboga Ramasedi. Thank you, son.